Yeah, don't know Molo OD back in our place once more with another upload. Mm-hmm. We there come to talk. You see me? You don't know talk your mind settings. But you don't know. So look a panty man, so man will love watch the girl them panty. Look a pedophile. You see me? But him smoke and bake. Baking one bake a girl them jars. That's every day I talk about smoke and bake. Yo, Mr. Pussy. Let me tell you this. When I smoke, you dig, man. You see me? We smoke highest of grades. You see me? Green Gel, Westmoreland, Senti. Be a high grade we smoke. You see me? So when you just see we puff all with one frost, you don't know anything go. We have to burn with frost. You mix the weed with the blem. Yo, Mr. Ross, Mr. Panty, man. You may address. You see me? Yeah. That more you know in the morning now. You miss a pussy going like you're wicked. You ever feel like you can run up on the Gaza? I tell you this, me don't tell you already, you know. Same time I feel like you can run up on the Gaza. Me personally, I got this, yeah. I see, yeah, come run with man style, but you dig. Don't feel like you can use man style, you see me? Yeah. Build your own shit. You the smoke and bake, you get them blue jars, yellow jars, pink jars. Continue smoke and bake, you get them jars. Cause yeah, be a this woman them. Come like he's a faggot. You see me? Yeah. That me I tell her. Yo, I'm not afraid to call your name. Yo, Mr. Jamaican P. Yeah man, Jamaican P. You me attack. You see me? Don't feel like I can sherms down one thing. You see me? You hear that? Pussy. You ever go on like you're wicked? Tell her this man. You don't know wickedness man. You see me? Wickedness increase. Batty boy when I come talk about. All of the man them know so them not smoke cigarette. You dig? You dig? Tell her. My style that. You dig? And that's something go. You dig? It's not you dig. I come pretty up man thing pussy. How do you feel now scrittles upon this? If you see this full of color. Know your lane, pussy. Look a pedophile. Boy, girl them be them good up jaws. I be a jaws a big up. Like your blood clot smoke and bake blue jaws. How do you? Don't feel like we gun them loud. How do you? Mm-hmm. Bumbo will come and talk. Low Spice. I might tell us I be a cussy woman them. Low Spice. The woman say I cake soap with him thing. Or the fuck you this the woman. Pussy. Be a this woman. Like it's a man you there with. It's a man you lay down with. Eh? Low the bumbuckler woman make a woman doing thing. How do you? A Gaza we say. And a Gaza we there. You hear that? So nobody feel like you can sherms it down mama queen thing. Mama thing loud already. So nobody come through the see the woman step out clean like him wash him face with the cake soap and then AC. You come and feel like you can this of woman. I be a woman of this, you know. You have to love the woman them man. Yeah, one of them man them will kill off the woman them, you know. Yo. Yeah, want look a pedophile, jazz man, panty man, French cut man. Yeah. And your sister sing about that tang. Yeah. Cause be a jazz, yeah, big up. I mean, I love to see the girls them in them sexy lingerie, but you're the cussy girl them, you're the this the girl them. You see me? Boy, you smoke and bake. Smoke and bake blue jars. That you the live pan, you see me? So know your thing and know your settings. You dig? Chop out segment. Molly OD once more. You get that? Yeah, get it in your head. You dig? Now you dig cigarette no make. So if you the smoke, you dig cigarette, that's you. You're smoking and baking blue jars. You hear that? Cut it there so making go dead. Your boy Jamaican P, more answer that one. Yeah. Cause you take up man thing. I'm on the rate of a man, you know. You see me? Cause you want to look a class clown, so me ever tune into your thing. Cause you clown I class. You see me? But when you come make reference about all of the man them in a smoke, you dig. What is you dig? You dig? Boy, don't get me upset, you know. Don't violate the Gaza. You hear that? Tell her that. Yeah. Come and talk. Mix it high grade with the blend. You smoke weed like we. You smoke weed like we. Be a major herbs about. Be a bush weed. I will smoke the best weed. So you don't come and talk about smoke and bake. You don't know how be a blood clot blue jars of smoke and bake. You see me? Yeah. You don't know say you want to go punk. You ugly boy Jamaican P. You know you look a bugs glass. How are you? How am you? You dig on me slang. And what you know about what we dig? Hmm? If we dig the earth, we plant the food. You see me? Yeah. So nobody feel like you can come style up man thing. Talk about. And man will smoke, you dig. You dig? And me a refer to. And me done see say me a refer to. So me I can answer you. You see me? And make you know this straight. Cause we no back down, you know. You're going like you're the wickedest thing on the vlogging, you know. And you're not about it, you know. And me come for right off your career. So more you answer that one, yeah, and show me say yes, you're wicked and you're full of tough talk. Cause we build the most talk. We have the most slang. You see me? And we have the most lingua. You hear me for the wap? Yeah. Mr. You know yourself. You hear that? Don't step out of your line. Tell you that. How you feel, say? We feel we are some of them boy that we subliminal this. We not subliminal this, man. I'm not subliminal this, yo. Cause if you go say you dig, all of the money we know so they no smoke this bag of cigarette and I might think that. Cause me run me out them. So me burn all my frost. You hear that? Now put no weed in them brain when them there around. You come and feel like a use man style, but all the money we know them no smoke, you dig. Me burn me frost if you know. True, you know smoke cigarette, you smoke blood clot, opium, speed, all them fuck drugs that we have up a fire in a bun. That's why you feel so you're wicked. You see me? How are you? I set a grade with bun, man. You see me? Yeah. So go on watch you think and feel say yeah, I saw your thing set. So no worry, man. Cut it there so make Jamaica P got dead. Put it up in your head now.